Hello everyone, I'm the DeDataDude. I want to quickly take us through how we can build an AI-powered travel planning assistant using OpenAI large language models, LLMs, and their APIs, which are GPT 3.5 Turbo for chat completion, and DALL-E 3 for image generation, and TTX for text-to-speech conversion. As we are going, I'll be taking us through how we can actually build this. So let's initiate OpenAI API clients and also all the necessary libraries. So this is my own private keys. Before you can use OpenAI models and their APIs, you need to be on paid account. By the time I will publish this video, this my own private key won't be working again. I want us to just use it for the sake of this video. So let's execute it. So it has been executed. So let's generate the travel itinerary using chat completion API. Before you can actually do this, you must have experience and knowledge in Python programming and prompt engineering. Yeah, because what I did here, prompt engineering, which I informed the system, what to do, how to do it, and all. So yeah, as you can see, the system message, I set it as well. You are a travel personal assistant, and your goal is to make the travel planning experience easy, faster, efficient for travelers. It will help user plans, their trips by providing comprehensive itineraries and So yeah, for the user prompt, I use prompt engineering framework, which is the setup. Yeah, as you can see under the setup, you have personnel, like the personality of the AI itself, which is you are friendly, knowledgeable, and efficient travel planning assistant. And the context is that the user is planning a maybe 7 days, trip to any destination, maybe UK, USA, or Nigeria, and needs a detailed travel itinerary. So this is the instruction. And also, I did few short prompts in here, and also did the chain of thought, which tell the AI how to do what it needs to do. As you can see here, plan each day considering transportation and accommodation, recommending attractions and dining options, and also adding cultural tips and safety advice. So this is the output. The output is okay. Should based on the chain of thought, which is this for unique destination the user inputted, and also the format. It should be structured in a clear day-to-day, itinerary format, and also there is additional restriction. Then lastly, the format is that everything should be in text. So calling on the chat completion API. So let's execute this. So it has been executed. So here and this is that okay. The AI will ask a user, where they want to go. So let's say you want to go to United Kingdom. So as you can see here, United Kingdom. So it's working and thinking, like human being. Okay, planning the itinerary. So as you can see here, wow. So can we see it's a 7 days travel itinerary for United Kingdom. Day one, arrival in London, morning arrive in London and check into your hotel. Explore the iconic landmark in London like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace and Tower of London. Evening, enjoying traditional British dinner at a cozy pub. As you can see, so day one, day two, day three, day four, day five. As you can see, in day five, you say, okay, travel to Edinburgh by train or flight. You can see, and also departure. As you can see here too, there's cultural tips and safety advice that the assistant, gave the user. Cultural tips: respect local custom and traditions, use polite language, and observe, queue etiquette. And also there is safety advice to keep your belongings secure in crowded area. Be cautious when crossing streets as traffic may be different from your own home country. Stay informed, about your travel advisory or local safety tips. So this is the itinerary that the AI assistants, gave me as a user that wants to go to United Kingdom. So yeah, I want to use DALL-E to generate image for us using the image generate API. As you can see, the I may not have the maybe time to go through all these text, but I may want something like in a picture that can just show me, okay, this is a flowchart of what uh my travel plannings, is. So let's execute it and visualize. Can you see here? The one, the two, the three, the five, the seven, they just sample of how the flowcharts will be. It may not be accurate due to some restrictions using DALL-E 3. Yeah. So now I want to use voice command, for travel planning using TTX, text to speech model. I don't have the time maybe to go through the itinerary myself. Maybe I'm maybe driving or I'm doing another thing, but I want to hear it maybe by voice or maybe audio. So yeah, I use the audio.speech.create API just to convert the itinerary to speech. But before that, I prompted an introduction word and end word like, okay, I am a personal travel planning assistant. I will read out your planning travel plans. Here's your itinerary. Then after that, it will now read out this itinerary above, and after that, it will now end in with I am here to always help you out all through your trips. Thank you. So let's do it now. But before that, I want to split the screen so that we can compare if what the AI is saying or speaking is correct or the same with the itinerary above. So let's do it this way. So let's use this the as the the backup. Okay. So let's run this. No, this saves a lot of time because it plans everything for you. So let's let them play the audio for audio itinerary. Don't forget I assign introduction words and end words. So let's see if it will follow it. I am your personal travel planning assistant. Can I see? Read out your travel plan. Here's your itinerary. 7-day travel itinerary. Day 1, arrival in London. Morning, arrive in London and check into your hotel. Afternoon, explore the iconic landmarks of London. Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Tower of London. Enjoy a traditional British dinner. Day 2, London. Morning. Visit the British Museum to explore its world-class collection. Afternoon. Stroll along the Thames River and visit the Tate Modern. This is amazing because it is actually correct with what we have on ground here. But so let's continue. That's just how we can use, TTX and TTX to use the voice and API. So, okay, for example, now let's say we want to ask question about our, itinerary from the AI personal assistants here. So, as you can see, ask your personal travel plan assistant anything regarding your travel plans. But here too, I use the chat completion APIs too. So let's run it. And okay, ask any question. Yeah, let's say, okay, what am I going to do in the fifth day? As you can see, don't forget, in the fifth day, this is we have Edinburgh, Scotland, travel to Edinburgh by train. So let's see if it's correct, let's display it. Wow, can you see? On the fifth day of your trip, you will be traveling to Edinburgh. Can you see? Scotland. In the morning, you will explore the Edinburgh, castle and walk along the Royal Mile. Can you see? During the afternoon, you can, taste traditional Scottish, this is as a local restaurant. Enjoy your time in Edinburgh. If you have any questions or need more further details, feel free to write. Can you see this is just like human being, like you are engaging with a real human being. Can you see? And also another thing that I want to hear is maybe like audio. I don't have time, maybe I'm doing something. I'm a busy professional and I don't have time to be reading all details, but I want maybe I'm with the airport or earpiece. I want to hear it, through voice. So same thing we did earlier, just execute it. So let's see. On the fifth day of your trip, can I see? Traveling to Edinburgh, Scotland. Morning, you'll explore the Edinburgh Castle and walk along the Royal Mile. In the afternoon, taste traditional Scottish dishes at a local restaurant. Enjoy your time in Edinburgh. Have any more questions or need further details? Feel free to ask. Yeah, this is amazing. This is absolutely how we can utilize OpenAI models and APIs to build any AI assistance and anything we can do. But this is just the simplest way we can use this in Jupyter Notebook, whereas you can actually integrate this into a real application or software. So thank you very much. If you have anything that you want to add, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.